My name is Paul Berger and I am the CEO of Arena EMEA. Arena EMEA is a global event services company. We design, innovate, and build events all over the world. So as a company, we focus on delivering high quality, high-end temporary solutions, hospitality experiences that are temporary, but they actually feel permanent. So we branched away from being just a traditional commodity rental business to delivering what we like to call temporary architecture for events.
Hello, my name is Khaled. I am the commercial head at Arena for a division called Brand. We do large format printing for visual merchandising and POS, events, exhibitions, mall fit-outs, and mall pop-ups. In 2019, we were advised that our 3.2 meter latex printers was reaching end of life. We started looking at getting an industrial printer that would have a longer life. I'd seen competitors were winning work away from us with UV LED printing, which had good quality and better prices than our existing equipment. We had known Stephen from Dynagraph for a long time, and Dynagraph were agents for Docan printer. Dynagraph chose Docan because they are the largest producer of UV printers in Asia. We had a demonstration of a Docan printer in Dubai, and we were impressed with the quality of the print of Kashira 3.5 picoliter print heads. Since we have installed the machine, you can see from its robust construction that this machine is going to last for a long time. Our operators quickly came to understand the machine operations, and since then we have produced some major projects like branding for Coca-Cola Arena and branding for Omega Desert Classic golfing event.
Docan is Asia's largest manufacturer of industrial UV printers. They produce world-class printers from their state-of-the-art 60,000 square metre production facility in Shanghai. Their range includes roll-to-roll printers in 3.2 and 5.2 metre, hybrid printers in 2 metre, 3.2 metre and 5 metre, and they also have large and small bed true flatbed. For more information on Docan printers, please contact your local Dynagraph representative.